what's good? Refrigerator, right? Man, what's so good? Refrigerator, right? Damn, all in the refrigerator. Got some orange juice. All in the refrigerator. Got some ranch. Hidden Valley. Ready? It's ranch. All in the refrigerator. Gotta press the PSP real quick. Y'all wanna see me? Oh, snap, I forgot to try. All in the refrigerator, pull out some tomatoes. All in the refrigerator, pull out some grapes. All in the refrigerator, pull out some dough. All in the refrigerator, pull out some cherries. Got right there. All in the refrigerator, pull out some carrots, man. I'm very. All in the refrigerator. What else you got? Oh, all in the refrigerator, pull out some popsicle. All in the refrigerator, got some sangria. Shut up. I'm doing a video, folks. All in the refrigerator, got some jelly. Ready? It's jelly. I hate cuz I got a mama. All in the refrigerator, got some mustard, yellow mustard, cuz mustard. All in the refrigerator, got some turkey ham, bitch. All in the refrigerator, got some eggs. Shut up. All in the refrigerator, got some more eggs. Can't carry three. All in the refrigerator, got some cheddar cheese. You please, girl please. All in the refrigerator, got some tartar sauce. There's SpongeBob, like it's tartar sauce. All in the refrigerator, got some more mustard. All in the refrigerator, got some dinosaur nuggets. Nuggets. All in the refrigerator. What else we got, man? Hold on. All in the refrigerator, got some cereal. Big cereal. Oh shit, my bad, y'all. All in the refrigerator, got some bananas, almost gone. Banana, almost refrigerator, got some Kool-Aid. U.S. made, first aid. All in the refrigerator, got some tricks. Tricks. All in the refrigerator. Oh yeah. All in the refrigerator, got some milk. Silk, feel like silk. All in the refrigerator. Move, huh?
What the hell?
All in the refrigerator. What's these? I don't know what these is, but all in the refrigerator, got some peppers. I just remember the peppers. All in the refrigerator. Damn it. My mama might have heard me. All in the refrigerator. All in the refrigerator. Got some onions. Feet smell like onions. All in the refrigerator. Apple. Got an apple. All in the refrigerator. Got some potatoes. Tomatoes. All in the refrigerator. I got an orange. All in the refrigerator. Got some sour cream. All in the refrigerator, got some cheese. All in the refrigerator, got some more lettuce and some more cheese. All in the refrigerator, got some milk whip. All in the refrigerator, got some pickle. All in the refrigerator, got some more pickles. get one. All in the refrigerator got some Polish sausage, kielbasa, Polish sausage, all in the refrigerator. We use this an iPad, but I don't like it. All in the refrigerator got some bread, all in the refrigerator got some bread, all in the refrigerator. Dang, man. Got some bread. All in the refrigerator got some, what's this? Brownies. All in the refrigerator got some ground chicken meat. All in the refrigerator. Sausage. Hold up. All in the refrigerator. I don't know if I told this to y'all, but all in the refrigerator. Got this. All in the refrigerator. Got this. Got some bacon. All in the refrigerator. Got some turkey bacon. All in the refrigerator. What else we got? Got some more popsicles. All in the refrigerator. Hold on. I need to rearrange stuff. We need to go to the deep freezer. My bad. I'm gonna need you as a cameraman, man. I'm gonna need you as a cameraman. Man, what's up, cuz? The refrigerator rap. Shock around, what's up, cuz? The refrigerator rap. Man, what's up, cuz? The refrigerator rap. Man, what's up, cuz? The refrigerator. Come on, man. I need you. Man, forget you, man. Now in the refrigerator, got some steak meat. Got some steak meat. All in the refrigerator, got some broccoli. Got some broccoli. All in the refrigerator, got some Franks. All in the refrigerator. Got some crispy chicken. Got some crispy chicken. All in the refrigerator, got some Sizzlers. All in the refrigerator. Got some chicken nuggets. Chicken patties. All in the refrigerator. Got some more chicken. All in the refrigerator. Got some more ground chicken. All in the refrigerator. Got some pizza. This is summer vacation pizza. All in the refrigerator. Got to slide that over. And all in the refrigerator, got some brock. All in the refrigerator, got some more brock. All in the refrigerator, got some, what the heck is this? Fish. All in the refrigerator, we got, what else we got, man? Hershey's. All in the refrigerator, got more turkey bacon. All in the refrigerator, this whole thing of fish. You smell like fish. All in the refrigerator. Stay still. Oh, they still got a broth. Man, what's up, cuz? Refrigerator right. Hey. Oh, I found something. Now in the refrigerator. Got some steak. Hold up, what is this? Oh, steak. All in the refrigerator. All the rest of it is chicken. It's turkey, chicken breast, chicken tenders, chicken wings. Hey, what else we got? All in the refrigerator. Got some snow, all in the refrigerator. Small snow, all in the. Got nothing else to show y'all. Oh, all in the refrigerator. Got some more bacon. Ready, all in the refrigerator. I need to put this. I don't want to get no whooping. All in the refrigerator. Oh, let me put this steak back. All in the refrigerator. Need to put this back here. Put this back here. All in the refrigerator. Need to put up the box. Cause I love them. Brock. I think I showed y'all everything. But let me just in case I did it. Oh, I didn't show y'all the cabinets. Which ain't the refrigerator, but I'm just gonna go through it. I need you as a cameraman. This supposed to be in the refrigerator. All in the refrigerator. Got some ketchup. Slow down and ketchup. Snacks, man. What else we got? All in the refrigerator. Got some donuts. They mine. They not my mama's. They mine donuts. All in the refrigerator. Got some shell cheddar. Now wait. I need another one, Keyshawn. Oh, all in the refrigerator. Got some refried beans, fat free, refried beans. All in the refrigerator. Got another refried beans. All in the refrigerator. Got some Butterworth. All in the refrigerator. Got another Butterworth. All in the refrigerator. All in the refrigerator. Got some Hungry Jack. Big box of Hungry Jack, man. Get Jack. All in the refrigerator. All in the refrigerator. Got in the freezer. All in the freezer. Got some sausage. I think I made some sauce. All in the refrigerator. Got some ketchup. Ketchup. All in the refrigerator. Got some butter. Hold on. Got some butter, flicking on that butter. All in the refrigerator. Got some dip. Got some dip. All in the refrigerator. Got some cheese. We just make grocery cheese. All in the refrigerator. Nothing else. All in my mama gonna kill me, but got some ice, not all done, but it's ice. All in the refrigerator, got some more ice. All in the refrigerator, got some stuff. the vegetable soup. It's freezing for my mom to kill me. The electric bill gonna be at $8,000. I was in the cigarette. Got some orange. I was in the microwave. Got nothing in there. Oh, snap. I forgot to put that back in the refrigerator. Hold up. Man, what's so good? Refrigerator. Man, what's so good? Refrigerator. I said, man, what's so good? Refrigerator. 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 And that was nice refrigerator rap. Hope you liked it. But you're stuck here. Man, what's so good? Man, my phone about to go dead, bro. Oh no! They're supposed to stay here forever and ever. They saw my vacation. They're gonna kill me for what I just do. For y'all, I put my ass in jeopardy. I'm not gonna put my ass in jeopardy just for y'all. Y'all ain't even no true fans. Y'all. Sorry, I'm pissed. Sorry, man. No. I feel like I'm